In this video, I'll show you how to use the Kanban view in Salesforce to visualize your records in a more intuitive, drag-and-drop layout. Instead of scanning rows in a table, Kanban organizes records into columns based on a selected field like stage or status, making it especially useful for opportunities, leads, and similar objects. Start by opening the Objects List view, not an individual record. In the top right, click the Display as icon and switch from Table to Kanban. If the option doesn't appear, confirm you're using a list view that supports grouping and that you have the right permissions. Once enabled, Salesforce groups records automatically by a picklist field, but you can adjust the grouping if needed. You can drag cards between columns to update that field value instantly, and summary totals often appear at the top for quick tracking. Kanban reflects real-time data without changing your underlying structure. Subscribe for more practical Salesforce tutorials.